How to fix black and white screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Color Filters. Color filters can be used to differentiate colors by users who are colorblind and aid users who have difficulty reading text on the display. Over here, turn off the color filters option. As you can see, all the color filter options below will no longer be available. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily fix black and white screen on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.